I am the butterfly. I don't chase the wind, I ride it. Let me teach you how. I began in darkness and now I dance in the light. Let me show you the joy of lightness. Come flutter with me. Butterflies taste with their feet. Monarchs migrate up to 3,000 miles. My path is not straight, but always beautiful. Advice from a butterfly. Let your true colors show. Take yourself lightly. Look for the sweetness in life. Take time to smell the flowers. Catch a breeze. Treat yourself like a monarch.